Hello traders. Today is 23rd of March 2023. We just had an amazing trade on pound Swiss franc. Our bias was long and bank amazing profit. We had amazing trade, guys. We've been long since the market broke on this previous high in 4 hour. So we've been taking a long trade here. Let me explain to you. Just right now we had another beautiful trade. I'm going to explain to you the New York session analysis. We just bank profit. As you can see, our bias was long, so we're expecting here another pullback. As explained to my trade, look for another pullback. If the price is going to develop pullback, another or golden opportunity for long trade here based on the momentum. And if you look at the live market right now, as you can see here, based on the analysis, price nicely developed another beautiful pullback. So based on the 4 hour, as soon as the price hit to the profit target, let me explain, show you the 4 hour chart. This is what I explained to my trader. If you look at here, as explained, as soon as the price, that was the first target. As soon as the price hit the first target, that's what I explained to my trader. It's time to enjoy some profit or at least move your stop loss at the break even. I hope you enjoy this analysis. You can enjoy more when you watch it live and banking profit in live. So most welcome. Join our fast going trader community. Have a safe trading and wish you all the best.